Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making an easy banana bread without using an electric mixer. Here I have my mixing bowl, flour, bananas, and I'm using 3 ripe bananas, baking soda, vanilla, salt, an egg, butter that I will be melting, sugar, and I will not be using the amount of sugar that is in the recipe because I want this to be less sweet. So I went ahead and I peeled my bananas and I am now crushing them. I will now go ahead and melt my butter in the microwave and I will be right back. Here I have my melted butter and I'm pouring it on the banana in the bowl. I'm going to set this aside and add baking soda and salt to the flour. I will now crack my egg in a separate bowl and I will add it to the banana mixture. I will now add the sugar and the vanilla to the banana mix. Now it's time to add my flour and I am going to add it gradually. Now I'm going to get my loaf pan and I'm going to grease it with some butter. And if you don't have a brush, you can use a paper napkin to grease it. And I have already preheated my oven, so I'm going to pour this batter in and set it right in the oven, and I will give it 50 to 55 minutes to bake. The 55 minutes has passed and my bread has been cooling, and it's not fully cooled, but I'm going to remove it from the pan and I am going to cut a slice right now because I want to have it with some ice cream, because I love to have my banana bread with ice cream. So there you have it, guys. Please to like, comment, share, subscribe, and cook with love always.